Hi, in this video we're going to show you a quick way to turn off your monitor. Now when I say turn off your monitor, I don't mean pressing the power button on your monitor, I mean making your screen go blank. So if you have your power settings set to turn off the monitor, let's take a look at those real quick. You could do this from Control Panel and also the Windows settings. So this is on high performance. And this is set to turn off the display never and put the computer to sleep never, but many people will set their turn off display settings, maybe 30 minutes. So when you don't touch the mouse for 30 minutes, it will turn off the display. But let's say you wait 25 minutes and then you touch the mouse, it's going to reset that timer and be another 30 minutes. So let's say you wanted to walk away from your computer and you wanted your monitor to go off right away and you didn't want to have to wait the 30 minutes. So what you could do is use this program here called Monitor Turn Off Timer OK. Kind of a long, weird name there, but it's just a quick way to just turn off your monitor right away and then you can walk away. So once you download it, it's just a zip file, then you extract it, then you just have this executable. So the first time you run it, you'll get a little message from Windows saying we don't know who the publisher is or something like that, and then you can just click OK to get past it. And of course, use at your own risk, just like anything else on the internet, but it seems to be okay. So once you have it here, let's say you're going to walk away from your desk, just double click it. And you got 5 seconds to cancel it. And now the monitor is off, and then just move your mouse and you're back in business. So of course you could, make a shortcut like so, and then maybe even stick it in your taskbar, and that way when you want to leave your desk, just click on your taskbar icon down there, and your monitor's off. Alright, so I will put a link in the description where you could download the Monitor Off tool, and then you can try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.